What are the attribution rules? The attribution rules are Canadian tax laws that deny families the opportunity to split income with other family members in a lower tax bracket. A simple example is investments transferred by the higher income spouse to the other spouse. Capital gains realized and dividends paid will be attributed back to the original spouse. The same is also true for children under the age of 18. Interest in dividends earned by a minor child on property received from his or her parents will be included in the parent's income for tax purposes. In addition, dividends paid to a minor child from a corporation owned by his or her parents are subject to the dreaded kiddie tax. Kiddie tax imposes the highest marginal tax rate on dividends received by a minor child, and this rate is presently 49% in the province of Ontario. Fortunately, there are some exceptions to the attribution rules. The Canadian government frankly knows that parents want to have some investment savings for their children that they can enjoy when they're older. As such, income earned on contributions made by a parent to their child's registered education savings plan or registered retirement savings plan will not be attributed back to the parents. Instead, when the child withdraws money from the RRSP or the RESP, the amount of the drawings is included in the child's income. In addition, capital gains realized by a child on a property transferred from a parent are included in the child's income. So consider transferring a property to a child that you expect to increase in value over time and result in a capital gain once sold. This is because your child will likely pay very little tax on capital gains received. To avoid the attribution rules for a spouse, consider making a loan to your lower income spouse at the CRA's prescribed rate of interest, which is presently 1%. If your spouse invests the loan amount into stocks, bonds, or any other properties, the profit earned will be included in your spouse's income and not yours. So here's the tip. Before transferring property to a family member, be aware of the attribution rules because they could end up costing you a lot in taxes. If you like this tip and want to know more, drop us a comment below or visit madanca.com. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can bring you great tax tips every week.